Okay, so in last lecture we have seen that we came over up to synthesis of zymosterol, okay, from lanosterol. So we have seen how squalene, how to write it, how squalene epoxide has been formed, how we synthesize lanosterol or cyclization of squalene epoxide structure, how we got 14 days methyl lanosterol by elimination of one methyl group at the carbon number 14. Okay, so this thing we came over here 14 days methyl lanosterol. So 14 days methyl lanosterol on elimination of both of this methyl group at C4 position. It gives the zymosterol. Okay, and now we will go for conversion of zymosterol to next molecule, to the desmosterol. Okay, so we will see now how to convert zymosterol to the desmosterol. So the formation of cholesterol from lanosterol, so the formation of cholesterol from lanosterol takes place in the membranes of the endoplasmic reticulum and involves changes in the steroid nucleus and side chain. Okay, so the methyl group on C14 and C4 are removed to form 14 days methyl lanosterol and then zymosterol that we have seen on previous slide. The double bond at C8C9, the double bond at C8C9 is subsequently moved to C5 and C6 in two different steps, forming desmosterol. Okay, so how to get to desmosterol? By shifting of double bond from zymosterol to from diamosterol structure from C8C9 position to the C5 C6 position in two steps. Now we will see how to move that double bond from C8C9 to C5 C6. Okay, and this is the so lanosterol on elimination of methyl group from the C14 position, it gives the first 14 days methyl lanosterol. 14 days methyl lanosterol on elimination of both methyl group at C4 position. Okay, it gives zymosterol as we have seen already. Now this carbon-carbon double bond, how this one will move from this position to here. Okay, so in first step, this carbon double bond will move from here to here. Okay, so we have got that. Now carbon carbon double bond is present at C7 and C24 position. Okay, so delta 7 and 24 position, there are two double bonds at delta at 7 position and for 24 position. So the name is delta. So how to indicate this, how to do the nomenclature of this one? So nomenclature of this one is, we have to represent presence of double bond with the help of sign delta, and that way is present at 7th carbon atom and 24th carbon atom, and the name of the structure is cholestadiene because two double bonds are present, and ol because hydroxyl group is present here. So cholestadienol. So cholestadienol on again. Now we want to shift, or we want to change the position of this carbon-carbon double bond, and we will shift this one from here to here. So we are going to, this one is again on enzymatic reaction with oxygen, molecular oxygen in presence of NADPH. So presence of this carbon-carbon double bond, that was shifting of this carbon-carbon double bond in between C5 and C6. So now we got desmosterol, that means 24 dehydrocholesterol. Okay, at the position of 24 we got dehydrocholesterol. At third position hydroxyl group is present, and carbon-carbon double bond we got. Now we got to reduce this carbon-carbon double bond at carbon number 24. So we will reduce this carbon-carbon double bond, and so delta 24 reductase. Okay, so this mechanism, these things now we are going to do over here. Now after reduction of carbon double bond at C24. Okay, so this double bond is got reduced in this step, and we got the structure of cholesterol. So one double bond at C5 C6 position, hydroxyl group at third position, and methyl group, one methyl, two methyl groups present as C10 and C13 carbon atom. So the structure is of cholesterol. Okay. So one by one, by following one by one steps, we can generate the cholesterol structure. So in this way, our biosynthesis of cholesterol we have been finished.